How to install and set up Jetpack in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up Jetpack plugin in WordPress. Jetpack secures your WordPress website and helps in increasing the website traffic. This tutorial assumes that you have a registered account with WordPress.com. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New Menu. In the Search Plugins window, search Jetpack. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Jetpack plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. Sign up for a new WordPress account or use your existing registered account. Type in your email address, desired username, and password in the respected fields. Then click the Sign Up and Connect button. In order to finish the connection process, click on the Approve button. Your Jetpack plugin is now activated and connected with WordPress. You can subscribe to a plan that's best suited for you. You can use the open source version of Jetpack by clicking on the Skip button at the bottom. Let's click on the Activate Recommended Features button. The features are activated now. Let's configure the plugin. Click on the Settings button. Under the Writing settings, enable the WordPress.com toolbar if you're comfortable using it. Under the Composing section, keep the Write Posts or Pages in Plain Text Markdown Syntax option disabled. Keep the Check Your Spelling Style and Grammar option enabled. Configure the media options as per your requirements. Set your desired color scheme. Click on the Save Settings button. Under the Custom Content Types, turn on the Testimonials if you want to add and show them to your customers. Turn on the Portfolios option if you want it to be displayed on your website. Configure the Theme Enhancements options as per your requirements. Disable the Publish Posts by Sending an Email option. Scroll up and click on the Sharing tab. Configure the Publicize Connections option as per your requirement. Click on the Connect Your Social Media Accounts option to connect all your social media profiles to Jetpack. Enable or disable the Sharing Buttons option as per your requirement. Click on the Configure Your Sharing Options button to add or remove various sharing buttons on your website. Scroll up and click on the Discussion tab. Configure the Comments option as per your requirements. If the Comments option is enabled, the readers will have an option to comment on your posts using their social media profiles. Choose the color scheme, light or dark, as per your website theme. Configure the other sub-options as per your requirements. Click on the Save Settings button. Keep the Subscriptions options enabled. In order to view your email followers, click on View Your Email Followers option. Scroll up and click on the Traffic tab. To view and configure the website traffic stats, click on the drop-down button. Configure the options as per your requirement. The Related Posts option scans all of your posts, analyzes them, and lets you show contextual posts your visitors might be interested in reading. Configure the options as per your requirements. Sitemaps option helps to generate a sitemap of your website. Enable or disable it as per your needs. In order to verify your website and manage the multiple search engine services, activate the Site Verification tool. Scroll up and click on the Security tab. Keep the Brute Force Attack Protection option enabled. To whitelist your IP or other IPs, click on the drop-down button. You can see your current IP here. Click on the Add to Whitelist button. You can whitelist a series of IP addresses or specify an IP range in the Whitelisted IP Addresses box. Keep the WordPress.com login options disabled. That's it! You have successfully configured the Jetpack plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Jetpack plugin in WordPress.